Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mix Flip, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So as you can see, this device's screen blacks out a little bit too fast for my liking. So let's change it. All we have to do is to enter the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the lock screen option. Let's tap on it. Now at the top we've got the sleep option, so let's enter, and here we've got the options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 seconds, which is currently applied, or 30 seconds, and at the bottom the longest option, which is 10 minutes. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll choose 10 minutes, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on this device will black out after 10 minutes of inactivity. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to apply. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.